In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Turo email. We'll walk through the full process from finding the right page to saving your new contact address with a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. By the end, your Turo account will use the email you prefer for trip updates, receipts, and important alerts. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Turo. You can also type the address directly if you know it, but searching is fine. Before you click, double-check you're choosing the official Turo site. Look for a secure connection and the correct domain in the address bar to make sure you're not landing on a lookalike page. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account. Enter your login details and complete any security prompts that appear. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it fill your credentials accurately. If you've enabled two-step verification, go ahead and approve that as well. After you're logged in, go to your account settings. Click your profile picture at the top of the screen to open the drop-down menu, then select Account. This will take you to the Profile and Contact Details area where your email is stored. On the account page, scroll until you see the email field. Highlight the current address and delete it. If you want a record of the old address, you can quickly copy it before removing it, but make sure the field is completely cleared so you don't leave any stray characters behind. Now type your new email address carefully. This is the address Turo will use to reach you, so it's worth double-checking for typos and extra spaces. If it's a shared or work inbox, make sure you'll have reliable access to it going forward. Turo will send a security verification code to the new inbox you just entered. Open a new tab or your email app and look for that message. It usually arrives within a minute, but if you don't see it, refresh your inbox and check your spam or promotions folders. When it comes through, enter the code exactly as shown back on the Turo screen. If the code times out, request a new one and try again. Finally, click Save Changes. Wait for the confirmation message indicating your email has been updated. If the Save button appears disabled, recheck that the email is valid and fully typed. Once saved, you're all set. Your Turo notifications will now go to the new address.